From the land of enchantment, it's the Gildan New Mexico Bowl, where the Arizona Wildcats take on the Nevada Wolfpack. And one team will win its 8th game of the season.
Here come the Arizona Wildcats.
And if this is the way the season's going to end for the Wildcats, I know there'll be disappointment because they wanted very much, in particular for the seniors, to win this ball game.
It's always tough to go out on a loss your last game of the year. It's not over yet, but it's getting pretty close here.
So with 1:48 left, it's a 13-point Nevada lead, and it just makes any miracle that much more difficult to attain. First and goal with 46 seconds remaining. Scott takes the snap, backpedals to throw, fires. It is caught. Austin Hill, touchdown Arizona.
Okay, we're in business.
42 seconds remain. Now remember, the Wildcats have executed an onside kick this year. They're 1 for 2.
This will be a good time.
Yeah. Bonanno will kick from the 35. He's going to line up just 3 yards back of the ball, and he'll kind of squib kick it down the field. And it is loose at the 48, and the Wildcats say they've got it. Let's see. They got to unpile things.
They got it.
The Arizona players say they've got the ball. If they do, and this they do. Arizona football at its own 48, maybe 49-yard line with 40 seconds left.
Hold on to your seats here. Wow.
Matt Scott on first down. Twin wideouts either side. Takes the snap. Back to throw. Here comes pressure. Throws downfield. Scott at the 25, down to the 23. First down, Arizona. Scott out of the shotgun. Back to throw. Throws to the right side. Caught inside the 10-yard line and down to the 3. It'll be first and goal, Arizona, with 22 seconds to go. I don't believe it. Here's the snap. Scott throws. It is caught. Touchdown, Arizona. They have tied the game with 19 seconds to go.
Oh my goodness. This is the most incredible ending that I have ever seen in a football game at the University of Arizona.
So John Bonanno now can put Arizona ahead with 19 seconds to go. This is the biggest extra point in the senior's career. Here's the snap, ball down, the kick is up, and the kick is good. With 19 seconds left, Arizona leads 49-48.
I can't believe it.
So here's Fajardo, takes the snap, back to throw, looking left, throwing left, it's intercepted, picked off by the Wildcats, and Arizona's going to win the game.
Big time, big time.
Yes! That's how we do it. Congratulations.